In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change footer background to an image in Shopify. We'll start right from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the section called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open up your themes page. At the top, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click on Edit Theme or Customize, depending on what you see. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually edit your store. Inside the theme editor, focus again on the left-hand panel. Scroll down until you see the footer section. Under this footer area, click on Add Section. A list of different section types will appear in a pop-up. From that list, choose Custom Liquid. Once it's added, you'll see a new Custom Liquid block under your footer. Click on that block to open its editing options on the left. You'll now see a large text field where you can paste code. This is where you'll insert the code snippet that makes your footer background an image. Paste the exact code that's provided with this tutorial, for example in the description or your documentation. Make sure you replace everything in that field with the code and double check that nothing is missing or cut off. At this point, your footer image may still look the same. That's because we need to replace the placeholder image URL inside the code with the URL of your actual image. To get that URL, click back to your main Shopify admin dashboard. On the left panel, look for the section called Content and then click on Files underneath it. Here, you'll see all the files you've uploaded to Shopify. If your footer image is not uploaded yet, click on Upload Files in the top right corner. A file browser will open from your computer. Locate the image you want to use as your footer background, select it, and click Open or press Enter. Once it finishes uploading, find that image in your files list. Hover your mouse over it, and a copy link icon will appear on the right. Click that to copy the image URL. Now, return to the theme editor and open the custom liquid block again if needed. In the code, find the placeholder URL and replace it with the URL you just copied. After a moment, the preview on the right should refresh, and you'll see your footer now displaying your chosen background image. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget the final step. Click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. That will publish the changes to your live store.